I'm Don Webb with the Greenwood Project. I'm filming this video today from my farm in Harris County, and in fact, the opening shot was me and my son fishing at the pond a couple of years ago. I love this place. I mean, I love the whole outdoor experience, but I love this place. And this is my place to just kind of get away from things. My wife and son and I come here to hunt and fish and goof off. You know, we have a nice cabin, sort of. I mean, it's really more like a shack, but at least it has a kitchen and a bathroom. And there's a big pasture where the kids play and ride ATVs and play flashlight tag at night. And there's a gazebo where my wife reads the paper and drinks her morning coffee. And my brother's kids love to fish at the lake. And we've got pretty pecan trees and a nice creek. And it's a quiet road where my wife and I enjoy long walks. And we come here for the weekends, and my whole family comes down for Thanksgiving. We often have people over for cookouts, and we ride the tractor, and we take care of the place. And we thoroughly enjoy the ownership experience. I think a lot of folks are like me, whether the motivation is hunting or fishing or hiking or just walking in the woods. The outdoor lifestyle is an attractive thing. And I think as our lives get busier and busier and cities get more congested and our kids grow up way too fast, I think we all look for and want and long for a place to kind of get away from it all. Whether it's to go spend time with the family or just spend time in the woods or just some place to go knock it in neutral for a while. For most folks, it's a dream. And for most people, and maybe this includes you, I know it did me at one time, the dream comes with a disclaimer. You know, someday I'm going to own a place in the country. Or maybe you're more specific, and one day I'm going to own a place in the country. You know, I used to laugh at my dad, who used to preface all of his dreams with, son, when I win the lottery, I'm going to whatever. And then he would go on to describe in vivid detail how he was going to do whatever it was he was talking about at the time. And I don't know, maybe you're that way. I know I was. At least 5 years ago I was. I've been dreaming for 20 years about owning a place in the country, but my dreams always seem so far away. You know, I was like a kid on the diving board, you know, the high dive, with my toes hanging over the end of the board, looking down, wanting desperately to dive, but being afraid. You know, I was afraid I was going to do something wrong and maybe do a belly flop instead of a dive. And I know that I'd seen other people do it, and I knew in my heart I could do it too, but I just couldn't summon the courage to overcome the fear of what seemed like a long way down. The problem is that most people will just continue to dream. I mean, from time to time they'll get serious about it, and they'll be serious and they'll try real hard, and then they'll get frustrated, or something will come up that postpones the dream. Maybe it's lack of financing, or maybe they can't find the right track, or whatever it is. But usually people get engaged, and then just as quickly they get frustrated and give up. But the sad thing is, once you figure it out, it's kind of like the high dive. You know, once you've done it, you go, well, that wasn't so hard. Matter of fact, that was easy. I want to do it again. I know in my own situation, I kicked myself for years for waiting so long to get into the land ownership game. But I realized I wasn't going to dream my way into owning a place in the country. You see, I needed a goal, and a dream isn't a goal. A dream becomes a goal when you put plans in place to get there. But if you've never done it before, how do you know where to start, what to plan, what to do? And here's the question for me that kept coming up over and over again, and that is this. Why is it that some people are able to make good on the dream and actually achieve it, while other people just dream? They both have the same amount of desire, but some get there and some don't. Well, I'll tell you a little secret. It's not about desire. It has nothing to do with desire. It has everything to do with knowledge. And it's hard to figure out how to do something you've never done before, no matter how bad you want it. I don't know if you've ever been to a Cracker Barrel restaurant, but they have these little games there. There's a little triangle with golf tees in them, and the object is to jump the golf tees until you have only one golf tee left. And they're there to occupy your time while you wait on your meal to come. But I'm always amazed watching people work on these things, because people tend to fall into two categories. There are the people that just want to know how to solve the puzzle, and then there are the people that are determined to solve the puzzle on their own without any help from anyone. And while you may put some personal satisfaction on the mental aspect of solving the puzzle, for most people, they never get there. Their food comes and they lose attention. But if you just want to know how to solve the puzzle, well, there's an easier way to get there. Ask someone who already knows how. I'm amazed at how many people who dream of land ownership fall into category 2 of the Cracker Barrel mind teaser, especially when there's so many people who've been involved in land investment who are eager to share what they know. So which one are you? Do you want to figure it out on your own, or do you just want to solve the puzzle? What if I told you that the water's not nearly as far down as it seems? What if I told you that you're actually closer to your dreams than you think you are? What if I told you that just a little bit of knowledge can go a long way to helping you get there? You see, this puzzle isn't as hard to solve as you think it is. My goal in bringing you this video is to help you understand how to turn your dreams into reality. I'm not some land investment guru with a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm just a guy, probably just like you, who figured out how to live the dream. 5 years ago, I was standing on the high dive, scared to jump. Since then, I've bought and sold literally millions of dollars worth of land. And through my consulting business, I've taught hundreds of other people how to do the exact same thing. And that's why I started the Greenwood Project, to educate people on the benefits of and the path to land ownership. If you want to look up more information on the Greenwood Project or find out about me, you can go to www.greenwoodproject.com. I also write a continuing series of articles for Game and Fish magazine. You can go there, www.gameandfishmag.com, and read the entire series of articles. Look, thanks for your time. And remember, the best way to enjoy the outdoors is to actually own a piece of it.